ChatGPT has been the marketing tool that everyone's talking about in 2023, but actually artificial intelligence has a tsunami of tools that are coming at us that will make all our business practices easier. And quite a few of them involve video and video editing. So today I'm going to be looking at Descript and how you can use it to transform your video and visibility. I'm Anne Gould from Master the Digital Maze, helping midlife business owners to embrace video and technology skills so that they can grow their business. So today I'm looking at Descript, which is a video and podcast editor, which has got a lot of features to it actually. But the sort of big thing about it, particularly for people who don't like video editing on on traditional software, is that you can edit your videos in much the same way that you would edit a Word document. And I'm going to give you a quick run through here so you can see exactly how it works. So here you can see that the video has been transcribed and the editing window is in the left hand side. The video itself is here, but if you drag this line up here, you can see that you've got a timeline much like a traditional video editor. And if you want to edit from here, you just tap on the blue and double tap on it, and you will see that you can split this clip and do various other things, detach audio, and so you can use that as a traditional video editor. But for most businesses, it's the editing with text that is the big feature here. So what happens when you upload a video or you upload your podcast is that a transcript is automatically generated, and you can go in with your editing tools and you can remove things that you don't like from there, and it just makes it really, really easy. Now there's some great AI tools that you can use with Descript. First of all, it will automatically remove all those filler words, the ums, the ahs, the so's, and also removes the pauses. Obviously, the advantage of this is that you will get a transcript. So if you're doing a podcast, you've got show notes that you can automatically use. And it will also generate captions, so you can export an SRT file. So if you are using a traditional video editor, you've got that SRT file that you can import, which is great. The other thing that you can do is that you can, for particular paragraphs, you can add B-roll. So this is sort of separate video files to illustrate what you're talking about. And one of the other great features, particularly if you've made a mistake in your video, is that you can upload a voice file to Descript and the AI will go in and overdub what you've said. One of the things that Descript does is it's a screen recorder. So if you want to sort of make your video sort of bit by bit as you go along, instead of sort of having one long file, you can sort of say a sentence. If you don't like it, you can scrub it out and you can go and record it again, which I know is a sort of system, particularly on social media, things like TikTok and Instagram, which has made the whole sort of creation of video much, much easier. Descript is available in 3 levels. There's a free version which allows you to export at 720p resolution, and there are sort of limits as far as your transcription are concerned. Now there are the next 2 levels are $15 a month and $30 a month, and you can export your videos at 4K, which is the highest resolution, and you have sort of various amounts of free transcription and the number of videos that you can have without the watermarks. So that being said, would I use this as a full video editor? Well, as I actually prefer the sort of traditional software, probably not. But I think what it could be really useful for is if you do live videos for your Facebook groups, or maybe you've got communities in other areas of the internet, maybe you've got a membership and you do live calls for them, what it could be really useful for is for tidying up those calls, removing the gaps, the ums and ahs, and just making it look and sound a little bit better. If you found this video useful and you'd like to know some other video AI tools that you can use, I've got a free guide. I'll leave the link in the comments. And if you want to know more about using video and AI, please subscribe to this channel.